Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents. Try this syrup as a potent cold and flu remedy, better than any flu shots and safe. Elderberries come from the European Black Elderberry plant, which is grown all around the world. There are various subspecies of the elderberry shrub, but all of them are healthy and beneficial. People have valued and used the medicinal properties of elderberries for centuries. The consumption of black elderberry inhibits the replication of influenza A and B viruses and destroys bacteria that cause upper respiratory infections. Moreover, it soothes the symptoms of colds and the flu, strengthens the immune system, and fight inflammation. Elderberries also treat various cancers and inhibit the production of hormone-like cytokines, which are responsible for the production of white blood cells that can cause inflammation. Their active compound, antivirin, prevents the flu virus from invading the membranes of healthy cells. Elderberries also inhibit the hemagglutination of the influenza virus and prevent the adhesion of the virus to the cell receptors. The anti-inflammatory properties of anthocyanins also relieve fever, pain, and aches. You can consume elderberries in various ways, but the elderberry syrup is one of the easiest ways to reap their benefits. It will fortify your immune system and improve overall health. Elderberry syrup recipe: 16 ounces of elderberry juice, 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Instructions: you should initially prepare the elderberry juice. Place elderberries in a saucepan, cover them with water, and heat until the mixture starts to boil. Then remove from heat but leave the elderberries in the liquid for a few hours. Afterward, strain the liquid, discard the berries, and store it in the fridge. It can last in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 months if stored in a glass bottle. Take half to 1 tablespoon daily for adults to prevent illness, or if the flu does strike, take half to 1 tablespoon every 2 to 3 hours instead of once a day until symptoms disappear. Next, in a saucepan, mix the elderberry juice with lemon juice and heat over medium heat. Bring the mixture to boil, allow to simmer for 20 minutes and remove from heat. Add the honey and drink the syrup while warm. It will help you prevent colds and the flu and also relieve their symptoms. It will also strengthen your immune system and help your body to fight disease. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.